Hi, Super Smarties! Welcome back. I had so much fun on our last math adventure that I wanted to play some games today. Are you ready to play some games with me? Awesome! Let me show you what I have today. Wow! I brought back the big Legos, the math bin because we're going to use it to help us for counting today, and I have some number cards. We're going to use these three things to play a game called What Can You Build With? What can you build with? But before I can begin, I need to know how many Legos we have in all. How many Legos do we have in all? So that means our first job is to count them. And when we count them, we're going to put them inside the math bin. Inside the math bin. Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We have 20 big Legos inside our math bin today. 20 big Legos inside our math bin today. Outside the math bin is empty. Outside the math bin is empty. Okay, now that we know how many Legos we have inside the math bin, it's time to choose a card. So let's choose a card from our pile. Wow, what number did Miss Lindsay choose? You're right, that's the number 3. So my job now is to choose 3 Legos out of the math bin and see what I can build. I can only use 3 Legos. Let's see what Miss Lindsay can do. 1, 2, 3. I now have 3 Legos. 1, 2, 3. What could I build with 3 Legos? Ta-da! This is what I can build with 3 Legos today. I can build a tower. I used 3 Legos to build my tower. 1, 2, 3. 3 Legos. Great job, Miss Lindsay. Let's put those 3 Legos back into the bin and choose a different number. What number will it be? What number will it be? Pick the card and tell me, please. What number will it be? Here it is, boys and girls. The next number is this. What do we see? Across the top, down diagonal. What kind of number is that? Let me give you a hint today. It comes after the number 6, but before the number 8. After the number 6, but before the number 8. Should we count and see what number that might be? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You're right, this is the number 7. Let's go and choose 7 Legos and see what we can build today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 Legos. What do you think we can build with 7 Legos? Looks kind of tricky. Let's see. This maybe. Eyeballs. Let's see what else we can create here. Oh, wow. Check that out, boys and girls. What did Miss Lindsay build today? I used 7 Legos and I built a shape. What shape do you think I built today? What shape do you think I built today? You're right, it's a rectangle. 2 of our sides are long and 2 of our sides are short. We made a rectangle out of 7 blocks. Super cool. Great job, boys and girls. Let's put those back inside the bin. I'm going to try one more. Here we go. What number will it be? What number will it be? Pick a card and tell me, please, what number will it be? I want this number today. What number do you see, boys and girls? This is a gigantic number. Whoa, it's huge. It's bigger than 10. Do you know what number it is? It has a 2 and a 0. It comes after the number 19 when we are counting. Let's count together and see if we can discover what number this is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Wow, we found the number 20 today. We found the number 20. We get to use 20 of our Lego blocks. Is that a little amount, or do you think that's a big amount? I think that's a big amount too. Let's check it out. Put number 20 there so we can see it. We're going to count out 20, boys and girls. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Guess what happened, boys and girls? The math bin is empty. We used all of the blocks that were inside our math bin. That means that there are 20 blocks that we can build with. Let's check it out and see. What do you think we can build with 20 blocks? Whoa, that is a lot of blocks. What can I build with 20 blocks? Let's use our imagination and see. What can we build? Oh, cool. Top maybe? Here. This is so many blocks. This really is so many blocks, boys and girls. It's getting bigger and bigger. Let's build it up higher. The more blocks we have, the higher it goes. Check that out. Cool. Oh boy, what else could we add? Should we add this on top? Maybe give it a hat. Oh, I like that. Oh, it's so tall you can't even see it on the screen right now. Tail back here. Almost done. All right, let me raise it so you can see. Wow, 20 blocks is a lot. We can't even see it on our whole screen. But check this out, boys and girls. This is really tall, It has a lot of blocks. It's got some feet on the bottom, and it looks like a body in the middle, and we have two heads. There's one right here, and there's one right here. Maybe two giraffe friends that are playing outside together. Nice job. We used our imagination and we created some friends playing outside together. Two giraffe friends playing outside together. Or maybe it's a robot. It could be a robot. Or a monster if you wanted it to be a friendly monster. It could be anything that you want it to be, boys and girls. Use your imagination and you built it. It's beautiful. It's great. You are super. We're going to go ahead and take those blocks away now. I'm going to show you a different way to play. What can you build with? I brought something else exciting today to work with. Are you ready to see? Let's move these blocks aside and let me show you what else I have today. Wow, check these out. They're little cups, boys and girls. Little cups. Let's put them inside the map bin. I'm going to choose a new number. Are you ready? Here we go. What number will it be? What number will it be? Pick a card and tell me, please, what number will it be? Oh, here's our number. Looks like the letter S, and then we close the gate. We make that number S first. We close the gate, and we make the number 8. Let's choose 8 cups and see what we can build. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cups. 8 cups. Our number is 8. Here we go. Our number is 8. Let's see what we can build. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow. That looks really cool. It's kind of like a pyramid. What else could we build with 8? Let's see. I bet we could build them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh no! Good try, Miss Lindsay. Good try. Good try. Could we stack them on top of each other? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cups stacked together. Great job, boys and girls. Great job. Let's try one more. Are you ready? Here we go. What number will it be? What number will it be? Pick a card and tell me, please. What number will it be? Oh, they're all stuck together. They all want to turn. What number do you see? It's the number 14. A 1 and a 4 makes a 14. Oh boy, that sounds like a lot of cups. Let's check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Wow, that is so many. Look at that. If I put them all together, that is a lot of cups. What could we make with 14 cups? What could we build? Let's see. Oh, check this out. I can build. Looks like we can build a circle. Check that out. We built a circle shape. A circle shape with our 14 cups today. What else could we build? Let's see. Should we try and stack them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Maybe we can make another one next to it. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Cool. Look at that. Look at that. That's something different that we build with 14 cups. When you use your imagination, you could build anything, boys and girls. Count the number. Build it up. You got this. This is a piece of cake, boys and girls. Great job. So we learned that we could use Legos to play the game. What can you build with? And we learned that we could use tiny cups to play the game. What can you build with? You are awesome, boys and girls. Thank you for playing this game with me today. I hope you have a great day.